Yeah, that's fine.
Holy shit! Fire, fire, fire!
Welcome to Famigo Dashcam, where everyday drivers meet the unexpected. Hit subscribe, stay ready, and let's see what the road has planned this time.
When you rush through traffic, you're not saving time. You're trading peace for problems. A few seconds of waiting beats hours of regret. Red lights don't stop time, they save it. A simple tire check can prevent a wild ride. Safety starts long before the key turns.
Oi! 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 Oi!
Yeah, that's fine.
In a brief moment of recklessness, metal turned into flame. The cost of impatience is always higher than it looks. A tire may look simple, but it carries the weight of safety. A quick check can save a long disaster. Signals are promises on the road. Keep them honest, and everyone stays safe. The highway isn't a parking lot. One wrong stop is all it takes to turn a smooth drive into uneven. Street racing always ends the same. Thrill first, regret later. Real roads aren't built for showdowns.
Yeah, look at that tire! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you?
Everything happens faster than we expect. Preparation is what keeps control in our hands. What do you think could have changed the outcome?
Oh my god! Are you?
Even a small bump can set off a domino effect. Focus behind the wheel is the shield that protects everyone. That turn came out of nowhere. Even the GPS needed a second to process it. Well, that's one way to exchange insurance information. Even the craziest car accidents start with just one missed moment of focus. Parking spots have a funny way of testing everyone's precision.
Wait. Oh, no, no. Don't hit your car! Oh my god, my kids are right here! Oh, my baby face!
The road forgives small mistakes, but distractions rarely go unpunished.
I just saw an act.
A quick move without a clear look often ends with a hard reminder. Distance isn't just space, it's time to react and time to stay safe.
Wow, that's very
Pushing past the rules doesn't bend them, it just makes everything around you more vulnerable. That choice felt like jumping into a double Dutch rope mid-swing, timing off, and trouble guaranteed. Rushing rarely saves time, but it often costs peace. Recklessness impresses no one when it ends in regret. Every sharp turn tests more than reflexes. It tests patience too. That was a tense moment. What lesson do you take from it? Knowing your lane isn't just about direction, it's about awareness. That slide looked like a bowling strike, just aimed at the wrong pins. Amid icy roads, control isn't about strength, it's about balance. Gentle steering keeps the wheels safe.
Oh my God!
Losing control once can end countless safe miles. Every steady hand keeps the highway calm. That moment felt like a country road colliding with city life, and neither was ready for it. Even a brief lapse in focus can send the journey in a different direction. Stay steady, and safety will always follow you. Fast isn't always forward. Sometimes slowing down is what truly gets you there. The line between bold and reckless gets thinner the faster you go. Blades that carve through snow can just as easily cut through safety if you're not careful.
That's the end of today's Famigo Dashcam. Every safe mile is a story well told. Drive with care, stay alert, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment.